Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add a phone number on your KFC account. Open the website kfc.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right side of the screen. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an Account Settings tab. Click on Account Settings. Here, you will see another section for Account Settings. Beside it, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. On the pop-up window, enter your phone number on the field provided. After entering, click on Save. That's how you add a phone number on your KFC online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.